In this video, we'll walk you through the process of installing, setting up, and customizing the Daily Horoscope widget using the Divine Astro WordPress plugin. This plugin makes it easy to display daily horoscope predictions on your website, providing real-time astrological insights for your visitors. Let's get started. The first step is to install the Divine Astro plugin. Log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Plugins section. Click on Add New, then use the search bar to look for Divine Astro. Once you find it, click Install Now, and after the installation is complete, click Activate. Once activated, you'll see a new menu item labeled Divine Astro in your WordPress dashboard. That means the plugin is successfully installed. Now, let's move on to activating and authenticating. Before using the Daily Horoscope widget, you'll need to authenticate the plugin with your Divine API key and authorize your website. To get your API key, log into your Divine API account or sign up for a 7-day free trial. Once inside your dashboard, navigate to the API keys section and copy your key. Now return to your WordPress dashboard and click on Divine Astro from the left-hand menu. Go to the Authenticate tab, paste your API key into the field, and click Save Setting. Next, you'll need to authorize your website. Copy your website URL from WordPress, and then go to the Website Authorization section on the Divine API dashboard. After entering your website's URL, click Save to authorize it. Now, go back to your WordPress dashboard, refresh the page once, and you will see your site is authorized with a green badge. Once your website is authorized, the widget will become fully functional. Without this step, the widget won't work, so make sure to complete the authorization process. Now that everything is set up, let's get the Daily Horoscope widget live on your site. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Divine Astro, then click on Horoscope and select Daily Horoscope. Here, you'll find the shortcode for the Daily Horoscope WordPress plugin. If no shortcode is available, click Create New Shortcode to generate one. This will redirect you to Divine API. Save your settings, return to WordPress, refresh the page once, and you will see your settings appear with a shortcode. Copy the shortcode and paste it into the WordPress editor on your desired page or post, whether using the block editor or the classic editor. Once you're done, click Save or Publish. Your Daily Horoscope WordPress plugin is now live and will display real-time horoscope readings for your visitors. Now let's customize the widget so that it blends perfectly with your website's design. To customize the Daily Horoscope WordPress plugin, click the Customize button next to the shortcode you want to modify. This will redirect you to the Divine API dashboard, where you can adjust settings such as colors, fonts, layout options, and set a default Zodiac sign to display. For a step-by-step guide on customizing the Daily Horoscope widget, check out our dedicated tutorial linked in the video description. Once you've finished customizing, save your changes. These customizations help the plugin match your website's theme and provide a personalized experience for your visitors. If you create multiple shortcodes, you can easily manage them by tracking each one with its unique ID. You can assign specific shortcodes to different pages to offer a customized experience. Always preview the plugin before publishing to ensure it looks as expected on your pages. To preview, check if you have multiple or single shortcodes available. Click on the Copy button for the shortcode you want to preview. Copy the shortcode and paste it into the WordPress editor on your desired page or post. Click on the Preview button, and the preview will open in a new tab where you can see how your Daily Horoscope widget appears. Once satisfied, go back to your page and click on Publish to make your widget live. This flexibility lets you tailor the plugin to different sections of your site, delivering more relevant content to your users. And that's it. You've successfully installed, set up, and customized the Daily Horoscope widget using the Divine Astro WordPress plugin. Your visitors can now enjoy real-time horoscope readings right on your website. If you have any questions or need assistance, our support team is available via live chat or email at admin@divineapi.com. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.